So at the one hand, a unifying force for the movement which has been split by the established, the oppressor. It aims more than that to be a vehicle for building for debate and discussion and analysis toward building a revolutionary or effective black ideology for black liberation. So Harold Cruz has written about the crisis of the Negro intellectual. E. Franklin Frazier, the late sociologist, wrote about it in 1962 in an article in Negro Digest he called The Failure of the Negro Intellectual. So we think that we need to begin to play our role and do something about it. We have to crawl before we walk. In Algiers, I made contacts. I got articles, for example, the first issue will have an article from Souké Touré, who is the head of Guinea. We have the Commissioner for Youth and Culture from Dahomey, who is the most popular speaker at the conference. He will have an article in there, which has been translated from the French specifically for us. And in both cases, we'll have one from Stokely, and one from Eldridge, one from Leroy Jones, one from John O'Killens, the novelist. And I made contact over there with other journals, and we're going to build an international magazine because the struggle has to be worldwide. It cannot be, it certainly has to be outside the confines of the United States. I think that one can get bogged down on reacting to insignificant and tragic individuals such as Hayakawa, and then he gets pulled down to his own level. So I think that at some level at some point one has to move to a new level and to begin to try to do something worthwhile rather than just fighting the horrible people such as Hayakawa.
Do you have any regrets at all about the whole fight over the Black Studies program at the state?
I think it was necessary, inevitable. I think that it was very great. I think the students did the best job in the United States, and I think that other people feel the same way about it. And one reason why they've been so hard on them, I've been traveling all over the country in the past year or so, and I certainly have said many times that the black students at State College are the most meaningful in the whole country.